Under the coin change problem, here I want to make a certain amount out of the coins, and I should use the minimum number of coins. So here the greedy approach will be to use the largest denomination possible. So let's say if I have coins of 25, 10, 5 and 1, and I want to make the amount 27. So I'm going to make use of one coin of 25, another coin of 1 and another coin of 1. So using these three coins, I will make the amount of 27, and here the idea is I should use the minimum number of coins. And for that, what we can do is we can always use the largest denomination possible. So like let's say 25, 27. So 25 is possible. So the remaining amount that I have to further do will be 2. 10 will not be possible, 5 will not be possible, and then I go for 1. Using 1 I can make the amount 2. 2 coins of 1 will give me the amount of 2. So here the algorithm is we first of all sort the coins in decreasing order, and if the amount is found to be greater than the coin, we subtract coin from the amount and add coin to result. Otherwise we will say that it is not possible with the given coins. Let us see one example program for this. Just a minute. So these are the coin amounts 25, 10, 5 and 1, and I want to make 63. Coin, here I call the function coin change. Now this coin change method will take in the coins and the amount. First of all, I reverse this. I put this in the this list has been put in descending order, and result is initialized to an empty list. For each and every coin that is there, if the amount is found to be more than the coin, decrease the amount and also add the coin to the result. If I do not get the amount to be 0, that means I cannot make exact change with the given coins. So let us run this program and see the result. So here for 63 I will need 225, and after that 110. 5 will not be possible because I'll have only 3 remaining. Then 1, 1, 1. Let's say if this 1 is not included. It shows cannot make exact change with given points. The ones that it tried to do were 25, 25 and 10. But it cannot show the it cannot make exact change with the given coins. We can, if I put a 3 here, then it shows the result 25, 2 coins at 25, 10 and a 3.